good morning. I say good morning. It's about 12 here, so we're just about getting into the afternoon. Welcome. This is the last day of Global Source's Consumer Electronics, and we're coming to you live from the show floor in AsiaWorld-Expo in Hong Kong. If you are within reach this afternoon of the show, there's still time to come down. Pre-register globalsources.com/exhibitions to get in for free and preview all the suppliers and products that are here at 3,800 booths, and get in touch with suppliers before you arrive, because that might save you a bit of time. If you can't make it, fear not, you can still get in touch with everyone through the website, and don't miss mobile electronics next week, 18th to the 21st. But having said all that, let's go and look at something right now. We're going to have a bit of a walk around here at the Korean Pavilion here at the show. Now, this is not as big maybe as some of the, the brand zone, the audio pavilion, but what it does have, what it lacks in quantity, it makes up for, more than makes up for, with creativity and quality. So we're going to have a walk around and see if maybe we can get some of the exhibitors to talk to us a bit about what they have on offer. So these guys are Logon Co, and I'm not sure what they make. They make DVR cameras for cars. That guy looks like he's busy texting someone. I'm going to leave him alone. And maybe this chap at Sung Chang will be able to talk to us. Hiya. Do you have a moment to tell us about your company and your products?
Yeah. Our company product is mainly this UPS. This function is when black out, it keeps power supply.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's an uninterrupted power supply is UPS, right? So basically, it's like an emergency system. And is that just for people's homes or offices, or can it be used anywhere?
Yeah, usually company or home and office.
Okay. Oh yeah, I guess it's like if you have a computer that you need to keep on all the time, right?
But for PC, just small devices or CCTV.
What's your MOQ for your product?
MOQ price is, this model is 50 US dollar.
50.
This model is 90 US dollar. And this model is $10.
Same. Okay, so why is this one more expensive? It has different features?
Yeah. This difference is capacity.
Ah, I'm with you. Okay, so like for a bigger system, we need a fan. All right, so thanks very much. Sorry about the confusing questions. If you want to talk to these guys about UPSs, which I learned just now stands for uninterrupted power supply, come down to booth 7P07 here in the Korea Pavilion. Thanks. Oh, here's the thing to look out for. This is an Analyst's Choice Award plaque. You can see this logo both at the show and online, so that's where our expert team of product analysts has gone through and picked out the best. You can see it's a bone conduction headset. We've got a bit of marketing imagery on the back there. So that is the headphones that bypass your ears. Oh, here they are, ready packaged to go. And yeah, so it just goes directly through your skull. If you've ever, any musicians among you, if you've ever put a tuning fork against your head here, you probably you know exactly how it works. So that's good. Personally, earphones always fall out of my ears, so that's nice. But they have basically it's sort of, they have these outdoor swings and kind of flying foxes like you would see at a theme park, but they come with VR and AR item. Here we have a time-lapse. This was another Analyst's Choice winning the product, I think. This is a time-lapse head for a tripod. So what that means is, if you've got a time-lapse setting on your phone or your camera, which you almost certainly do, now the issue with that, of course, is that normally you have to lock it in place. It looks in one direction, and things happen rapidly. There's a sped-up video created at the end, but there's no motion on it. So this is kind of you program in the motion you need on the head, and then it slowly moves your camera during the course of the time-lapse, which is pretty useful. What do you make? What's your product?
Jumpstart.
Oh, Jumpstart?
Yes.
Okay. And can you tell us what makes your product different from normal product?
Our company is reliable Korean product. We are come from Korea. Then we are the Jumpstart specialties company. Then our advantages is cell balance design for safe charging, and the second is great support for the weather condition. It's even cool weather up to -40 degrees, up to 60 degrees.
Okay.
Yes. Then the third is the battery.
Oh yeah, let's go and have a look at the
allowed of 8 months.
A lot of advice. Can we have a look? Let's see. I'll just hold this up for the camera so you get a better look.
It's a sample.
There's just samples, of course, but yeah.
The real one.
Ah.
You can see them. You can use as LED light as well, and then also you can use as a power bank.
Oh, okay.
It's just functional.
Emergency use.
Yeah. Then it can be used. The battery allowed 8 months without recharging.
Okay, so it can just sit in the car ready to be used.
Yes. Normally the other company's product just for only 3 months something, but the device yes.
So you can forget about it for a long time and it's still okay.
And then very good. The first most important is stabilities. And it's a reliable product. It's maybe some of the low cost product in accident, maybe explosion or fire something.
Right.
This is a reliable product and stabilities product.
Excellent. And what would be the MOQ for this?
We accept small order as well, 100, 200. Actually, our MOQ is 3K, but small order we also accept. Most needed item for their stabilities.
Excellent. All right. Thank you. Okay. See you. Do you have a moment to tell us about your product?
Yeah.
Sure. What is this?
We have two products. One is slimming belt based on light therapy technology. So the light penetrates into body deeply to break down your fat cells and make your shape looking good.
All right. And what's your other product?
The other one is to treat your nasal problem, such as allergy rhinitis and hay fever.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How does that work? You kind of wear it, or?
Wear it like this. Very convenient, easy to use.
Okay, yeah, it's sort of like a pair of glasses, but lower. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
And so, like, if someone wants to order this, what's the MOQ on your products?
Actually, we accept 200 units for trial order. But if you want to have some exclusivity, something like that, MOQ will be a little bit higher.
Sure, but exclusivity is available as well. So.
Yeah, sure.
All right, and what's the kind of price for these products?
For this one, that belt is around $500 US.
Mm-hmm.
This one, $300 US.
$300 US. So we're looking at quite high-end products in retail, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well there you go. That's a big market. We have a whole health and well-being pavilion as well, which has been catering for this. Thanks for that. So if you want to talk about Lumi Diet, come here to booth 7N06. They are Double H Inc. Thanks. See you.
Okay, thanks.
Take care. And from one use of light to another, these guys are Easy Ink, EZ Ink. I don't know. Hey, can you tell us about your products? What do you guys make?
This is the LED reflective sheet, so called LG film. In the back, just attach to the acrylic. Then these patterns are captured right from the edge writing.
Yeah.
The light comes up. So if you put on image, you can make a right panel like this. And also the other you can make a point-to-point LED light.
Wait, so this is not like a screen, it's actually this material, but showing a kind of illuminated photograph?
Yes, correct. Yes,
wow.
Correct. They're right. Without etching and engraving.
That's amazing. So you could switch out the picture in front too.
Replace image.
Yeah. Is it difficult to install? Can you use any kind of picture frame and then add lighting? Is it easy to use?
Yeah, it's very easy. Everyone can make the sign by just cutting, attach the acrylic.
That's amazing. So how does one buy this? Do I have to buy like by square meters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is rolled.
All right.
So 1.2 width and 50 meters. Yeah, you can cut any size you want within a 1.2 width.
Yeah.
So you don't need each size the right panel.
Sure. What's your minimum order for?
Actually, for the time being, maybe it takes time to people to know.
Yeah.
So everyone can buy one or two rolls from Korea.
Yeah.
And after that, maybe actually we're looking for a distributor.
Sure.
And they distribute
Yeah, excellent. So, and like, what kind of FOB price do you have?
Yeah.
If someone wants to do a test order.
11 US dollar per square meter.
Yeah.
And 671 US dollar per roll. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's really cool.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thanks for talking to
thank
us.
you.
Hey, JCOM, they make privacy screens. Hey, I'm not sure if you can get it on the camera, but basically you can only read it within this angle. And again, yeah, if you want to talk to these guys, you sort of buy it in different sizes and textures and whatnot. Oh, here's another analyst choice winner. It's a smart car cup that heats, drinks and soup. She looks quite busy, let's not bother her, but yeah, it's a little thermal thing, you can set your temperature there, pretty nice. Hi, do you have a moment to tell us about your product? Yeah, so we see you've won an Analyst Choice Award for it. How does this work?
This is used in the car, and this one is used in car 시가제, and then adjust the temperature. After 3 seconds, the working.
3 seconds, okay.
Yeah, now it's working. Yeah, and then keep the temperature. You can adjust any temperature.
And you can just drink directly from the top? Like you don't have to open it to drink it? How is that? Oh yeah, okay, good. Safety first.
Yeah.
So it's great for people with long journeys to drive, right?
Yes, sir. And then also the material is also the very good material. Yeah, it's a Triton.
Okay, Triton. Excellent. And like, what's the MOQ on this product if somebody would like to order it?
MOQ is 240.
240, and the FOB price?
Yeah, FOB price 22 FOB Korea.
Okay. Excellent. So there you go. An award-winning smart car cup. It will heat your soup up. Very, very good. Okay, thank you for talking to us. Okay, these guys are the Euro Corporation, but don't be deceived by the name. They're in the South Korea Pavilion at 7N14. And we've got what looks like solar panels. Hi, do you have a moment to tell us about your product?
Yeah, okay. Here. Okay. This is outdoor power station, and we have a waterproof version and not waterproof version. And this time, this product has a lot of feedback from the Japan and the America and the Europe. And mostly, our product power station has the AC out and the DC out. So all models has the AC out and DC out. And this one is a waterproof and it has Bluetooth and FM radio. So you can bring this power station to outside for camping, for fishing, or for emergency power for after typhoon or earthquake.
Sure. Yeah, so any kind of rugged outdoors environment.
Right,
safe.
right.
That's great. And so what's the FOB price for?
FOB is roughly more than $200 US. So it depends on the battery capacity and the inverter output capacity.
Oh, right. There's quite a lot of options you can choose.
Yeah, right.
Okay. What's your normal MOQ for any of these?
MOQ is 100 pieces or 500 pieces. It depends on the model.
Depends on the model. It's still quite low actually. So you could do a test order quite.
Because of the FOB cost is a little bit high, so that's why the MOQ is very low.
Fair enough. Yeah, all right, so these guys are TS Inc., and if you'd like to investigate the power provision possibilities, come and talk to them here at booth 7N16. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. These guys have got a buyer looking in their booth, but you can see they do earphones, including this, which has vibration in your ears for gaming. So kind of replicating that controller vibration you would get on a console, but with your personal sound system, which can be useful for alerts during gameplay. Let's then they are Alon Inc. though, and actually I think that brings us to the end of our little